You've done everything right. The foundation is perfect, the container is straight, and the welds are strong. But 5 years later, your windows are cracking, your doors won't close, and a long diagonal fracture is creeping across your drywall. The enemy wasn't your construction. It was the ground you built on. You thought you were building on solid earth, but you were actually building on a slow-motion time bomb. Here is the fundamental engineering conflict. A shipping container is an intensely rigid steel beam. It is not designed to flex. Your foundation's only job is to keep it perfectly straight. But soil is not a static platform, it is a living, moving system. When the ground beneath your foundation shifts, swells, or sinks, it forces that rigid steel box to bend. This is the root cause of almost all long-term structural failures. The first mistake is trusting soil that looks solid but acts like a slow-motion hydraulic jack. Expansive clay is full of minerals that absorb water, causing it to swell with immense force. In the dry season, it shrinks and cracks. This constant, powerful cycle of lifting and dropping will heave your foundation piers up and down, year after year, until the concrete cracks and your container is twisted out of alignment. The second mistake is building on ground that is secretly unstable. That rich, dark topsoil or patch of land that was filled in years ago might seem solid, but it's not. Organic matter decomposes and compresses over time. It is the engineering equivalent of building your house on a slowly deflating air mattress. Your foundation will sink unevenly, leading to a permanent sag that puts constant, destructive stress on your container's frame. The third mistake is ignoring where the water goes. Soil that is firm when dry can turn to weak mud when saturated. Building in an area with poor drainage or a high water table means you've placed your foundation on ground that can lose its structural integrity every time it rains. In colder climates, this trapped water freezes, creating frost heave, a powerful jacking force that can lift a foundation from below, doing catastrophic damage. In the end, the amateur sees the ground as just dirt. The professional sees it as the most critical part of the structure. The three most dangerous soil mistakes all stem from forgetting one rule. Your home's real foundation isn't just the concrete you pour, it's the 50 feet of earth beneath it. A lifetime home is not built on the ground, it is built with it. If this guide to the ground beneath your feet has saved your foundation from a slow, expensive death, then hitting the like button tells YouTube we're on the right track. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next engineering breakdown. Now, I want to pass the question to our community of builders, you. What type of soil are you dealing with on your property, and what's your biggest challenge with it? Let us know in the comments below.